Alright, alright guys. Pat asked me to do a review of a new sight that I just bought. And it's the 30-06 Elite model AE5DT-1. KP both sights, 5-pin with a 19 thousandths fiber. And this is it right here. One of the first things that gets me about this unit, whenever I first got out of the package and whatnot, is the ease with which you can adjust it. It's got these real easy to move finger adjust, and then on the end you got a positive adjustment where you can micro tune just like you would a sight on your rifle. It's got the alignment bars, and I wish my phone would kind of stay focused on this. But you got your horizontal and your vertical. The other thing I noticed is, and I don't know if it's going to pick it up, if you look, you got holes, so you can actually take these thumb knobs out and adjust them, put it wherever you want, to which fits for you. For me, I kind of like the idea of having one where I can hit it with my thumb, and the other one down here that I can just kind of push it up, and it's kind of tight. There it goes. And then you got your horizontal, your vertical stable adjustment there. Now the other thing I've noticed about this sight is, if you look right there on the bottom of the bubble, it can come off. You've also got two large holes in this, and then there's another small hole right there. Let me move this out of the way because I think that's what's happening. So I can actually take and make this right or left-handed. This piece here, once you flip it everything over, you can just move your sight bubble to the opposite side, so it's left or right. And then your holes, your large holes here, are actually for your LED light. They also give you one where I've actually chosen to put it, and that's here at the end. Now the LED light is a 3 adjustment light. You got low, medium, and high, and then off. Your fiber optics run from your pins all the way down through, and I don't know if you guys are going to be able to pick this up, but my biggest complaint so far, and I really wish I could get my phone to focus on this for you, but they did not cut these fiber optics very even. I've got my two, if you notice, you got, come on phone. Alright, you got green, yellow, orange, yellow, green. The two yellows they did not cut them long at all. So whenever your light's on, the green, the orange light up pretty decent. Alright, there's two green, as you can see, in the orange. And one yellow is kind of bright. You see that the two greens are real bright. The orange is pretty bright, but only one yellow is bright. And then it's off. Make sure, yeah, it's off. So they could have done a better job at actually making sure that there, you can see if I can get it to pick up again. There's one of your yellow fiber optics ending right there, so you can see it's not even all the way up in the tunnel. And the other one is actually right behind. It was there for a second and I can't get my phone to pick up on it again. So that's one problem that I'm seeing. Then you've got this adjustment here that allows you to move the sight forward. Man, let's try that. There, actually, there you go. Now that I moved it. So you can see how short that yellow fiber optic is right there. And the other one is just barely up there. It's catching the light a lot better. But they really did cut that one fiber optic way too short. And I've tried everything I can to extend it, but it's just not long enough. That's a major issue I've got. I want to be able to see all my pins equally. Alright, it does come with 2 screws right there. And what I'm going to do is, I've got my bow madness here. And we're going to go ahead and take off Alright, now it's an Extreme Archery Products sight. It's also got the thumb adjustments, but you got to move the whole thing. It doesn't have any real way to micro adjust. And I've only got 2 pins. What I don't like about this is how dark that is. It's hard to see the pins even with the light on it, and that bubble is just way too dark for me. If I put both of them side by side, now I'm going to flip this one over. There's the diameter of my new sight is, the 30-06 sight is larger. It's easier to see my pins. It doesn't look like they're shadowed inside. And also the green bubble is so much easier. It picks up much more light than that orange. So that's one of the biggest reasons. So I'm going to go ahead and get this changed, and I'll be right back.